You're about to build your website, but there's a hidden trap waiting for you. A trap that looks like a deal today, but ends up costing you thousands of dollars later. In this video, I'm exposing the 3 hidden traps hosting companies use to trick local business owners. The third one is so sneaky it catches almost everyone. I'm Dorian, the founder of Doctor Website. I help doctors and business owners take control of their online presence. But I must admit, I fell for these traps myself, like for example in 2018. As you can see, it was a complete mess moving my clients away from bad hosting. I learned the hard way, so you don't have to. Trap number 1. The unlimited lie. You see hosting plans offering unlimited storage and bandwidth for the price of a coffee. But here's the truth. It's like living in a massive apartment building with only one small water pipe. You share that pipe with hundreds of neighbors. If one neighbor, another website, gets hacked or gets a lot of traffic, they suck up all the resources. Your website slows down or crashes. And when your site crashes, patients go to your competitors. Google hates slow websites, so this also hurts your rankings. The solution is cloud hosting. It's like moving out of that crowded apartment into your own house with your own water supply. With cloud hosting, you get dedicated resources from a network of servers. If one fails, another takes over. It costs a little more, but for a professional medical practice, reliability is not negotiable. Trap number 2 is even worse. The shared IP. With cheap plans, you're not just sharing resources, you're sharing your digital address. Imagine renting a luxurious office for your clinic, but your neighbors on the same floor are shady businesses and scammers. You don't want your reputation linked to them. If your neighbors on that server send spam, Google might flag the entire IP address, including your website, as a bad neighborhood. Your emails to patients go to spam and your local SEO tanks. The solution is a dedicated IP. It tells Google I'm a legitimate professional business. Always check if your hosting plan includes this. Before we get to the third trap, the one that drains your wallet, hit subscribe. I post videos like this every week to help you dominate Google Maps without the technical headaches. Alright, trap number 3, the sneaky renewal price hike. You see a big bold $7.99 per month, but look at the tiny text underneath. That price is only for the first term. The renewal price jumps by 300, 400 or even 500%. They know that once you build your site, you are too busy to move it. So they lock you in and jack up the price. Let's look at the real math. I compared 3 popular hosting providers. Let's call them A, B, and C. We are looking at the total cost over 5 years. Hosting A, very popular, shared resources, shared IP. To get a dedicated IP, you pay extra. Year 1 is cheap, $96, but the renewal is $540 per year. Total cost for 5 years is over $2,200 for shared hosting. Hosting B, better, but still shared resources and shared IP. Total cost for 5 years is $1,472. Still pricey for what you get. Now look at hosting C. This is their cloud startup plan. Dedicated resources, dedicated IP included. If you lock in the 4-year deal, you pay the low price until year 5. Total cost for 5 years is $648. You get better performance, better security, and a dedicated IP for 1/3 of the price of hosting A. Full transparency. I am an affiliate for hosting C, but I'm also an affiliate for hosting A and hosting B. I would actually make more money if you bought the expensive ones. But I recommend hosting C because it's what I actually use for my clients. It's the smart choice. I put a link to their current offer in the description below. Fast hosting is great, but it doesn't mean anything if your website is invisible. I've compiled 70 plus strategies to rank higher in my Ultimate Local SEO checklist, which you can download for free using the link in the description. But after choosing the right hosting, the next step should be installing WordPress and the first version of your website. I have a video where I share my trick to have this done and ready in only 10 minutes. See you there!